Today we make a dish. It's called ants climbing up the trees. The Chinese name called 蚂蚁上树. The main ingredient we need a half cabbage. The cabbage is very fresh from old pine farm. We need a half bag of bacon and 1 bunch of peas noodles. This is not rice noodles. If you buy it, remember to buy this cat. They will tell you it's pea noodles. It's not a rice noodle. You just get 1 bunch. It's enough. And we also need chopped 1 teaspoon ginger. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we get a bunch of peas noodles. We just cut it because they have tide, so we cut it and put it in a pot and add the boiling water into this pot. So let the peas noodles and soak and into hot boiling water until we use. We just let it soak. Cut the cabbage, and we just need half cabbage. Just cut it in the middle. We just need a half, so with this one we cut the middle, the core part just go through like this, and this one goes through like this, so you can find it. And this will be pulled, so this part of it through, we can eat it. We will wash it. We wash the cabbage like this. We will drink the water. We cut the cabbage. We cut cabbage through here. We cut it very, very thin. Try to possible. You see, it will be like this. Cut the bacon, cut it in half the bacon, the rest half the leaf. With this bacon, we cut it very, very thin. Cut it thin. Okay, put the bacon into the plate. The bacon will be like these small pieces. Usually they use a ground pork to do this. You just use the bacon to do this. On the stove, medium flame. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it, and then rinse the pot. This is ginger. We add 1 teaspoon of ginger to it. And fry it. Now we add when ginger smell come out, we add the bacon into it. We turn the fire is a little low. and then slowly fry the bacon until the fat in the bacon come out and the bacon almost become crispy. When most fat in the bacon come out, and we add the cabbage into it. This is the 13 spices. We add a pinch of 13 spices into it. If you don't have 13 spices, add 5 spices or just black pepper. Don't add too much. This is salt. We add 1 teaspoon salt to it. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. Now we turn the fire to the high fire, and keep frying the cabbage. This is the oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, we add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce to it. Now we try the cabbage. The cabbage is fully cooked. Now we add the peas noodle into it. You can cut it if you think it's too long. Yeah, you can cut it or not cut it, just add it to it. And now fry it. Okay, the cabbage is cooked and the rice noodle is already soft to chew. Then we are done cooking. Turn off the stove. So this dish is done. So the under climbing up the tree, this dish is done, and I hope you guys like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you next time.